This is what we're doing. This is it. This. And it's so freaking easy. How come I didn't know about that? This is what we're doing today. I'm going to show you how I do my hair because some people have... Oh, got the hiccup. Oh, great. Now I have the hiccups. Why not? Hold on. Why? Why does this happen to me? Now that the dog's going freaking crazy and I have the hiccups. All right, let's see if I can get it together. Hold on, I have coffee here. Let me try it. That I just heated up in the microwave and forgot. Oh my gosh, what a start to a video. I'm sorry. I'm going to do my hair today because people have asked me how I do my hair and commented on my hair. They like my hair. So I'm going to show you how I do this. It's so easy. It's just really easy. I didn't wash my hair today. I dyed it yesterday. I use a box dye. This is the shade medium blonde. I don't do ash or anything like the ash or the golden. If I do a golden color, it leaves like red highlights in my hair. If I do an ash color, it turns it gray. I get a gray cast to it, or even sometimes green. It'll cast that color. Hair dye tips. What do I use? Anything at the drugstore. Any box, anything will work. I've not found one that's better than another one. I just use them all. I've had my hair dyed professionally, and that's just very expensive to keep going back and keep going back and keep going back. If you're interested in seeing how to do box hair dye at home, I'll do a video, but if not, I don't know. I will do a video for you because why not? I show you my teeth and my gums. So what's the difference? Normally I dry my hair in the morning. If I don't wash my hair that day, I don't use dry shampoo or anything. I have found that just makes, I just don't like it. I really don't like it. I've tried different brands. I don't like it. So we're 2 minutes into this. Okay, quickly, let's go. I'll dry my hair on the heat setting. And if you can, look at me, if you can see, I'm drying it like straight up. I have a natural cowlick right there. And for years, I tried to fight that cowlick and make my hair go different ways. And it was frustrating. I don't know why I just didn't go with the cowlick. So if you have a cowlick or anything like that, just go with it. And also normally I turn my head upside down. I stand up and bend over, turn my head upside down and do this. But I'm not doing this in the video. You don't need to see my butt. That would be weird. That would just be weird. There, that's pretty much all I do. This is so easy, you guys. This really is easy. Now, I have a curling iron that I normally always use, but right now it is broken. I would normally do this with my bigger curling iron, I had to think, but that is now broken. I just kind of spray it with this Got to Be Glued. This stuff is the bomb. People that wear wigs usually use this even like a glue, and I realize that you can't see the top of my head. Okay, I'll bend over. This is too small, all right? And I know it's gross. There's always hairspray on my curling irons, but there's nothing I can do about that. You can do this with a bigger curling iron. We're doing it with a small one today. I'll spray and then kind of give it another spray and sit there and just wait. Sometimes I take my hairdryer and give it a quick blast so it dries. All right, and then I'll just grab another piece. I mean, this is so easy, and I wish I had the bigger curling iron. I'll get one, I just don't have one now. And I don't buy expensive curling irons because I trash them with hairspray. And you really don't need... See how, that is why my curling iron, see the sides of my curling iron, that's why it's gross. I either just kind of sit here and wait for it to dry, or I just kind of let it dry on its own. Whatever you feel like doing. I used to have a fatter one, which that's what I'm going to get, not the 1 inch. I might get the 1.5 inch with my hair length the way it is. Let's see, let's go this route. See that? I'll just take a piece here. and hit it with the hairspray again. And just kind of take it over. There. I've tried all the hairsprays out there. This one, that's the one that I like the best. Now this, you're gonna see, I'm gonna pull it down and just kind of give it a little bit of a bend. We bought dog food and cat food yesterday, and it's sitting next to me on the cords, and I can't get it. Okay, maybe that'll work. I don't normally hairspray when I do the straightener, because the straightener won't pull through nicely. But I'll go down, see, it just gave it enough of a bend. You just kind of want to follow the shape of your face when you use a straightener. Like I'll show you over here. Follow the curve of your face, but don't burn your face. That would hurt. See, there. I'm gonna put my hair up today with this thing. You wait till you see this thing. It's amazing. I go around and put curls just randomly around my head. Whatever you want to do. Now I have this comb that I use that I really like. It's got, see the extra teeth in there? There. Oh, there you go. There was a picks on the bottom. It broke. This is a teasing comb. That is not. See the difference? It doesn't have all the little things in there. So I'll just go through and just kind of comb it out like so. Like that. And then I'll like take some, just some. And I have this banana clip thing. And I'll just go through and tease. And you don't have to be picky, all right? I'm just kind of giving it some body. And I do this even if I'm not gonna put my hair up. Don't be, see, I'm not even, I just sprayed my eyeball. I'm not even looking at the back of my head, okay? That's how picky, that's how non-picky we're being here. And we're gonna just do it again on this layer. And then just give it a little bit of a spray. See that? It doesn't matter. We're going to fix that. But the goal here is to just not be picky. I've been through like the 80s hair and the 90s hair. I've been through all the things. I used to have the big hair. Remember the big hair? That's my favorite. I really wish that would come back. I really do. And then I'll just do this, okay? Not being picky, remember? We're not being picky because right now we don't need to be. And we're gonna, see this hair? That keeps going by itself. So we're just gonna kind of lightly, very lightly, give it a spray because I don't want it all over my head. Now watch, here's the trick. Now I understand that everything is sticking up, all right? It doesn't look good right now. I know that. So now I have to stand up. I'm gonna put it up, but watch. We're not being picky here. Don't be picky. Okay, coming back in. Now that all the blood is rushed to my head, and then I go through and like just pull some out. Like that, there. And then maybe here and here. Because we're not being picky. And then to pull some out in the back, I'll just take my comb the right way and just kind of comb down. Then I'll just do the other side, just kind of comb down, and whatever comes out, comes out. Why did I do all the curls? You don't have to do that, but I find it stays up better if you do. In a bun, just like so. See? Now I have this thing. This is the trick. I got this from the Amazon. This is called a messy bun. It's actually hair on a rubber band. Can you see? I don't know if you can see it in there. But there's like a black hair tie in here it does this. So I'll just kind of put my fingers through the middle and do this to it. They have several different colors. You can do either side, whichever way. Like, see how the hair's kind of flipping up here, and here the hair's just kind of going down. You could put it either way you want it. You can put it on your head. we're going to do it with the hair up, so I have just hair everywhere. Let's just do that. Just take it whole and put it right over top your ponytail. That's all you do. And then you can spin it around and make it go round. Let's try to put it on the other way. Now all the thingies are going down. And you could, this one has kind of got like blonde highlights in it. It kind of matches your hair. Nowadays, you really don't have to match your hair that much like you used to, because of the new ombre style where it's dark on the top and lighter on the bottom. You can do that. And this is how I do this. I know you probably are thinking, why do you put all those curls in your head? I don't know. I like to do that. You probably don't even have to. You could put your hair up and just kind of... Now I have a bobby pin in here, and I'll just find it and just stick it through there. There. Let's do the other side. I'll do the other side. And kind of just grab the hair and your hair and just kind of stick it through the center. I'll do this to the back, underneath, like under here. Just stick it in through there. And if I feel like it, sometimes I'll do one more. Sometimes when my hair was shorter, I would do a lot of bobby pins. And I'll just stick it straight down through the front. So there you go. Look how easy this is. Let me turn around. Something else I got from the Amazon are these headbands. I just love these headbands, all right? They came in all these three colors, all right? It's stretchy, and you can wear it either way with this thing on the top of your head, or like this and around. I've done that. Let me show you. Don't mess up the bun, Michelle. I mean, look at this. Oh, that is pretty cool too. You can also like make it wider. I don't know if I want to make it wider on this one, but you can cover up more of your head. See how it's wider? It even gets wider than that. You don't have to have your bangs out, but yeah, look at that. My secret weapon here in my arsenal. I'll link all this in my description. But this is what I do. How cool is that? And sometimes I'll add earrings, like a hoop or something. Hoop, or let me show you these. Let me see. I don't know when or where I'm gonna wear them, but is that cute? I've got those. I got those at garage sale actually for like $1. And then I just come home and clean them with alcohol. I started, like after COVID hit, I wanted to wear more earrings, so I started looking, and some of them are expensive, and it's like, I don't want to pay that much. So I started going to garage sales looking at earrings. Or I've been going to garage sales. I just added the earrings to my list. All right, I'm gonna get out of here now. My next video, I might do my makeup, maybe. I don't know yet, we'll see. But anyway, there you go. Hair, easy. I'll see you in my next video. Come back for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.